Welcome to this guide on Kubernetes. In this video, we'll explore what Kubernetes is, why it was created, and how it's revolutionizing the way we deploy and manage applications at scale. Kubernetes has become the industry standard for container orchestration, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why that is. Before we dive into Kubernetes, let's understand the problems it solves. Imagine you're running a modern application with hundreds of containers spread across multiple servers. Managing these manually becomes a nightmare. You need to handle manual deployment of containers, distribute traffic evenly across instances for load balancing, automatically restart containers when they fail to maintain uptime, and scale your application up or down based on user demand. Doing all of this manually is practically impossible at scale. So, what exactly is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is an open-source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Think of it as an intelligent system that takes care of all those complex container management tasks automatically. The name Kubernetes comes from the Greek word for helmsman or pilot, and it's often abbreviated as K8S. Where the 8 represents the 8 letters between K and S, it was originally developed by Google and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Kubernetes is what we call a container orchestration platform. But what does orchestration mean? Container orchestration is the automated management of containerized applications across multiple machines. It coordinates the entire container lifecycle and placement, deciding where each container should run. It handles configuration and resource allocation, ensuring each container gets the computing power it needs. And it manages networking between containers, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Kubernetes does all of this automatically, without human intervention. Let's talk about why Kubernetes exists in the first place. The problem is simple. Managing containers at scale becomes exponentially complex and error-prone. When you have dozens or hundreds of containers, manual management is nearly impossible. One server failure could bring down your entire application. The solution? Kubernetes automates operations that would otherwise require large DevOps teams working around the clock. It makes complex deployments reliable, repeatable, and scalable. What once took teams of engineers can now be handled automatically by Kubernetes. Kubernetes comes packed with powerful features that make application management effortless. First, it offers self-healing capabilities, automatically restarting failed containers without any manual intervention. Second, it provides auto-scaling, adjusting resources based on actual demand so your application can handle traffic spikes. Third, it enables rolling updates, allowing you to deploy new versions of your application without any downtime. And fourth, it includes built-in load balancing, distributing traffic automatically across healthy container instances. These features work together to create a robust, reliable platform. Understanding how Kubernetes works is straightforward. The process follows 4 main steps. Step 1, you define your desired state in configuration files, describing what containers you want to run and how they should behave. Step 2, Kubernetes reads these configuration files and understands what you want to achieve. Step 3. The Kubernetes control plane schedules your containers on worker nodes, choosing the best locations based on available resources. Step 4. Kubernetes continuously monitors everything and maintains your desired state, automatically fixing problems as they arise. This declarative approach means you tell Kubernetes what you want, and it figures out how to make it happen. Kubernetes has truly revolutionized container deployment. It gives you the freedom to deploy anywhere, whether in the cloud, on-premises in your own data centers, or in hybrid environments combining both. It enables faster delivery, allowing rapid deployment and iteration cycles that speed up your development process. And it's cost-efficient, optimizing resource utilization at scale so you're not wasting computing power or money. This is why Kubernetes has become the de facto standard for container orchestration, with millions of developers and organizations relying on it every day to run their applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.